Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to resolve this sort of problem whenever you try to recompile your file over overleaf.com. so you might have seen this sort of problem. So for example, I'm recompiling this project, so you can see I am facing a PDF rendering error and I'm getting PDF. So what could be the reason? Because there is no any such sort of issue. So the one solution is to go to your history, and from history you can clear the all browsing data, so which might be including the browsing history, cookies and cache image. So you can delete all of them, so there might be a chance that this problem will be resolved. But if this problem is not resolved, then the main cause of this problem is IDM, Internet Download Manager. So you have to go there, you have to open that, and then you can click on this option button. From here you can go to this final last one, this option, and from here you can click don't download from web player automatically. So if you apply that and click OK, and then go back to your original file. So now if you recompile this, so now you can see this problem has been resolved. So the main problem of this the main reason for this problem was the Internet Download Manager, because it automatically captured the data. So you have to disable that option from here. So like you can see, I have I have checked that one. So now my problem has been resolved. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel.